everyone, I'm back with another Czech Beads Exclusive box unboxings. Sadly, this one is going to be the last one for now. Now, that's not to say that I won't subscribe again in the future, but for now, this one is the last one. And I'm decided on that because I have a full-time daytime job and I can't get to all my boxes in time to show you guys. Like this one is May. And I'm showing it to you because that way you have an idea what comes in the box. But it's not like you're going to see, oh, this is what to expect in my box that's coming to me, if that makes sense. So once I'm able to film more than 1 to 2 videos a week, then I will definitely be adding more subscriptions. I can add this one back. So for now, like I said, that is the situation. If you don't see this again, that's why. So without further ado, after this little explanation, let's check out and see what's in this box. Okay, so it comes, like I said, in this little box. It's a monthly subscription, and I'll leave a link to the subscription link in the description box below, so you guys, if you're interested in checking it out. And it's I think it's really cool because it's a hobby store in Prague, so it comes from overseas. And you can also shop for individual beads on their Craftica shop, and I believe they have different types of subscription. I think the other one is for kits, so you can also subscribe to the kit box. And so, like I said, it's got this little pamphlet. You can become, this is the one, I think, the bohem style. Get 2 jewelry kits, step-by-step tutorial every month, or this box, which is the one I'm going to show you. So then, Hello Summer, that's what the theme is, it sounds like. And then we get Hello Summer box contents. It looks like there's a contest as well. And that is it. So let me put this to the side and we can start. So first of all, we've got just some stretchy cord. That's all that's in here. So nothing too exciting on this one. Then we have, like, it looks like they're these half moon double drilled little beads. So these are probably great for little spacers. Like if you do a 2-strand bracelet or even a 2-strand necklace, you can use these half moon beads in there. And then we have these really pretty, like, flower pressed glass Czech beads. These are really pretty. They have like a little gold finish on them. Very cute. So you get like little samples of individual beads. Then you can go back on their site and shop for the beads that you like. Oh, look at these little bell flowers. These are adorable, aren't they? These are so cute. Look at that, little blue bell flowers. And they have like a little sparkle to them, I think. Yeah, it looks like they have like a little sparkle, little glitter. So really pretty little flowers. And then we have some fire polish with an AB, or yeah, it looks like an AB finish, fire polish round beads. And in taupe. Then we got some more of those really pretty fire polish beads. These look like they have a silver or metallic coating. Half silver, half clear. Well, sometimes they look gold. So let's just do half metallic and half, clear here. So really nice. Then there's more of these little round faceted. It looks like they might be a little bit smaller, maybe 3mm. Very pretty in like a lemon yellow. Oh, now we have another 2 of these little flowers with a blue metallic finish on them. Look at how cute these are. Very cute. Then we have these red, they look like little pomegranate seeds. Little red fire polish beads. Looks like a really pretty ruby red. Lots of fire polish beads in this one. Then we have some green fire polish beads. These are really pretty too. And then we have, it looks like, another, they're round. Also round fire polish in a light green. I forgot to say there's 8 of them. There's probably 8 in each of those little baggies. Oh, look at that. We have some more of their little cute little flowers. Little bell flowers. Super adorable. Now these are in crystal. Yeah, they're a little bit, I think they're more crystal, but they got little sparkles in them. So These are adorable. Oh, it looks like we have more of those half moon double drilled beads. Another little lot is what they call them. Then we have these that look like little peanut beads. These look really cool when you put them all together. They make a really pretty design. So we got some peanut beads here in white. And then we've got some really pretty, like a dry, more of a, I want to say a dry green. I don't know if it's a dry green, but they look like they're faceted rondelles, but in a more military green, dry green. Really pretty. Ooh, look at, then we have some blue metallic flowers. I think aren't they called forget-me-nots? Super cute little itty bitty flowers. Perfect for a little bracelet. Oh, look at these metallic guys. It's like they almost look like they're cement. No, but these are pretty metallic fire polished beads. They're gold and silver on one side, it looks like, or white. That is interesting, these matte beads. Huh, faceted. They're not fire polished, they're faceted. We've got more of the frosted matte beads, but they looks like they also have a metallic side to them. Not all of them though. Yeah, some of them you can see it more than others. Like this one has it more on the top, so very cool. Like a stone gray. And then we've got some ear wires. Very cool. Ooh, look at these. These are super pretty. Very, it's got an AB finish and they look like little coins. Are they double drilled? I think they're double drilled. Yep. These are double drilled beads. And look at how pretty these look. Super cute. We got some of those same double drilled, but look at these beautiful. They got more of a rainbow metallic finish to them. You can see it's like yellows and purples, depending on how the light hits them. Very cool. Double drilled beads. Then we've got some more of those itty bitty flowers. These have like a metallic finish to them. They're like teal, like a teal color. So pretty little itty bitty flowers. We got some more fire polish. Looks like it's a bronzy gold. And this one we do get 6 of them. So very pretty. Oh, look at these coins. They're like they look like they got little black swirls. These are cool. They are double drilled too. That is cool. So we've got like a teal finish to them, or yellow teal. We got some more of those half little moons, and it looks like it's a rainbow finish, teal or blue. You can make yourself a stretchy double strand bracelet. That's what I'm thinking of with all these double drill beads. Then we've got some beautiful little drops in teal metallic, but they've got the drill is on the top end of them. So very pretty little teal color. We got some more of the sparkly green, but now in green, some of those little bellflowers, and they're half crystal, half green. Ooh, look at these. We've got larger rondelles. They're faster on one side and rounded on the top in that green, same green, army green. Finally, I found the right color to say. So we got 3 of these big guys, and we've got some more green bellflowers, but these have like a white, they're like white with a green metallic finish on them, but they're also super cute. They're not as clear as these green ones. So there we go. All right, you guys, so that is all the little beautiful and adorable cute beads included in this box from Craftica. So Craftica, I don't know, something like that. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think you get a huge sampling of, you know, different types and shapes of beads, of Czech beads. I think the subscription is definitely worth it if you don't have any other subscriptions. If you just want to sample and get to know, you know, different types of beads, I think this is perfect. This one, we're just doing an unboxing, but in the next one, we'll probably be doing a tutorial coming up here. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys enjoy my videos. And if you're new to the channel, I suggest you hit that subscribe button and the bell, because we also do really cool tutorials on this channel. And as always, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.